Hi, I'm Marna, and I wish I would have got this to you sooner, but Darren and I have been out riding our bikes. These are the bright colors we wear when we ride. We have over 120 miles since, well, more than that since Easter. But anyway, you know I love a bargain, and you know I love that it doesn't cost a fortune to be a doll collector, because you can do it by buying used and watching clearance and sales. Anyway, I found a great deal on Troll World Tour. This bucket I got after Easter in the Easter aisle for 90% off. So I paid like, I can't even remember, less than a quarter for the bucket. Now, I live on a farm and you can always use a bucket, but I think it's cute. You could set this out with your troll display, put trolls in it or whatever. They also had one left, one Easter troll. Isn't that a cute outfit? And I leave tags on, so that's going to stay with him. Purple hair, purple and pink are my favorites of, well, I like all the colors really. He was originally $9.98. I don't know what happened, but when they took the 90% off, they came out with like 57 cents. Yes, 57 cents is what I paid for this troll doll, new on the clearance aisle. Always check your clearance aisles, especially after the holidays. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.